Hello my friends, welcome to this new practical tutorial and welcome to part 2, building and training the model. We will tackle this part 2 in 3 steps. First, building the model, then training the model on our scaled training set now, and then proceeding to the inference mode where we're going to make 2 types of predictions. First, making predictions on the test set, and second, making a single prediction for a single patient. Alright, so let's do this. Let's start by building the model, and so we're going to add a new code cell in which we're going to use our scikit-learn library again to build very efficiently our logistic regression model. Alright, so as usual we start from the sklearn library, from which we're going to get access to a certain module that you already know. Do you know what it is? Well, it is actually the same module as the one we use for linear regression, because indeed the logistic regression model is a linear model and therefore it belongs to the same module as linear regression, linear model. And so from the linear model module by the scikit-learn library, we are going to import, this time of course not the linear regression class, but you can guess it, the logistic regression class. And there we go. We now have the class, and so now we are going to create an object or instance of this class, which we're going to call once again model. And to create this instance, well, we simply need to call our class logistic regression and just add some parentheses. All right? There are some hyperparameters that we could enter here, but we are in level 1 and we're not going to do hyperparameter tuning yet, to tune your model and improve the performance. We will do that in the higher levels. But because the logistic regression class has some random factors in its implementation, well, we're just going to enter the same parameter as in our train test split function, which is random underscore state, and set it equal to 0, just to give us another seed so that we can end up with the same result. It's better for your learning path. All right? And that's it. We're done with building our model. Very simple step. So now we're going to play or run the cell. And we now have a logistic regression model ready to be trained on our scaled training set. And we will do that in the next tutorial, but please try to do it yourself before me. That's the best way to learn. And then we'll do it together in the next tutorial. And until then, enjoy machine learning.